Hey guys, welcome back to Netizen 2.0 Lights Camera Action Tamil. This is our entertainment YouTube channel. In this, they are uploading comedy videos about the problems that we face in online classes. If you want to see their content, I'm giving the link in the description. Please do visit their channel, and if you like their content, please do subscribe to Lights Camera Action Tamil. In today's video, we are going to see about why is PUBG banned throughout India. PUBG Mobile was a part of the 118 Chinese apps that were banned in India due to security and privacy concerns. Alongside the popular Battle Royale game, its lightweight version PUBG Mobile Lite was also banned in the country. Soon after the ban, the two apps along with the other 116 Chinese apps vanished from the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. The app has been completely banned, so even if you have the app already installed on your phone, you will not be able to connect to the service once the ban has been completely put in place. If you have been a fan of the Battle Royale game and do not want to switch to another game, you might have to switch devices in order to keep playing Players Unknown Battlegrounds, which is also known as PUBG. When it comes to the mobile version of the game, the Korea-based company was approached by China's Tencent Games to license out the game. Then the Chinese company launched the game for both Android and iOS platforms. Given the connections of PUBG Mobile with China, the Indian government had to ban it over security and privacy concerns. However, if you are a fan of the game, you can still play it on PC or a console. Do note that the change of device and the difference of mechanics will make you feel like a noob at start. But once you get the hang of it, you should be able to play with extreme confidence. If you have been a fan of the Battle Royale game and do not want to switch to another game, you might have to switch devices in order to keep playing Players Unknown Battlegrounds, which is also known as PUBG. PUBG is still available on PC, PS4 as well as Xbox. This is because the game was initially introduced for Windows PCs by the PUBG Corporation, which is owned by Bluehole, located in Korea. The same firm is responsible for the PS4 and Xbox One versions of the game. Now let's see about an incident in which PUBG killed a boy. The Inspector General of Punjab Police, Shoaib Dastagir, warned in a letter to the Interior Ministry that youth were being devastated due to the online game and their future was being ruined. The youth kept on playing the game throughout the night and at least 3 of them had died because of the PUBG in recent days, he asserted. Last week, Senior Superintendent of Police Liaquat Ali Malik sent a letter to the IGP on the issue. He pointed out that a youth, Mohammed Zakaria, son of Khwaja Sohail, a resident of Henjerwal, has committed suicide by hanging himself on June 23 after he missed the mission assigned to him while playing the PUBG. A mobile phone was found on a bed near the body with the PUBG game running. The boy had appeared in the matriculation examinations and used to play the game for many hours a day. His father also confirmed his obsession with the online game. The official wrote that the PUBG was an online multiplayer battle royale game that had gained immense popularity among the youth. The game has influenced the youth and changes in behavior have been observed after failing the mission. The letter read that excessive violence could trigger aggressive thoughts, causing violent behavior. Addicted to complete the mission caused pain, agony, and anxiety, resulting in depression and stress. The players spent more time in playing the PUBG, which meant they ended up becoming less socially active, and sitting in front of the screen for too long caused disruption in sleep pattern, resulting in deterioration of physical and mental health. So these were all the reasons why PUBG was banned, and the main reason was that PUBG was a Chinese app. For the PUBG lovers who are seeing this video, there is an Indian PUBG coming soon. An Indian gaming company has developed a multiplayer action game, Fauji. 20% revenue will be donated to the Bharat Ke Veer Trust. However, this game also causes all kinds of problems that PUBG did. But one thing to be happy in this app is it's made in India. Jai Hind. Until I see you in my next video, adios amigos.